Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. And today SGX Nifty was indicating 100-point gap down. That's because US markets fell so badly yesterday. And we opened as per SGX Nifty indication, and in fact we broke 17,400 today morning. In the pre-market you must see, if you have not felt any heart attack, you can see the pre-market. The pre-market at 9 o'clock Nifty opened around 850, 900 point gap down. But still we opened much lower than what SGX Nifty indicated, and Nifty spot went almost 17,350. You know, we have fallen from 18,000 to 17,400 just in a matter of 2-3 trading sessions. But what happened after that was a fantastic thing. Just 15 minutes, first 15 minutes candle, Nifty shot up 100 point, and the next 2 15 minutes candle, total 3 15 minutes candle, total 45 minutes, Nifty shot up 200 points. So this one shows very clearly, you know, some bulls have decided to take the market higher in the morning itself, and that's why, to scare the other people, they show significantly lower opening in the morning. But that was really surprising. That's because, you know, US markets and European markets fell so badly yesterday. All the Asian markets were negative, and I really don't know why the market has to shoot up so much. And Bank Nifty shot up almost 600 point from intraday low to intraday high in the morning itself. But what happened in the afternoon was even more surprising. And I thought, you know, Europe will open higher, US futures will turn higher. They turned higher, but very mild. And but then, you know, as the trading progressed in Europe, they started falling, and Europe still trading in negative only. But what happened to our market, especially in the last 25 minutes, unimaginable. And Bank Nifty was already up by 600 point from intraday low, and then from 305 to 330. In this 25 minutes, Bank Nifty was up another 300 point. And today I would say it's a lucky day for me. Around 3 p.m. I just bought a call option in Bank Nifty, and in fact around 2:45 I bought Nifty call option. Then suddenly I realized, you know, IT index is so bad. Okay, Nifty is not doing well, but it is only the banking stocks and other financial stocks that took the market higher. So banks are more bullish than the overall Nifty. Then why I am buying Nifty? Then I bought Bank Nifty, and I bought in the money option. I bought 17,400 call option for around 200 rupees and 38,000 call option for about 550 rupees. And then, you know, my friend was going to airport, so I just went downstairs to drop him in the taxi, then came back. I saw 550 has got to 850. That was really very surprising. And the last half an hour really I did not expect, because the US futures were flat and the European markets are down, and who would expect 900 point rally in Bank Nifty? And the best part of the joke is that, and in the last 3 days, Bank Nifty came from 39,700 to 38,000, then from 38,000 to 38,900. So almost 2,500, 3,000 point move in a matter of 3 trading sessions. So this is how our market moves. Coming back to some news, you know, Germany PMI index came slightly better than expected. French PMI manufacturing PMI, purchase manager index, came as expected, and UK came slightly below the expected. So that's why today UK markets are underperforming, and we will wait for the US manufacturing PMI to come soon. But these are all not very important events. But tomorrow, Germany GDP may be an important event. And coming back to our local news, there was a news that said IT stocks, IT companies are struggling with their margin. So there's a great margin pressure for them, and that's why they are cutting the variable pay to their employees. So that was the reason why IT was so bad today. And TCS has fallen 2-3 days before. I remember TCS around 3,400 and it came and broke 3,300 today. It was a severe fall. Throughout the day it was falling and never recovered. Then another news, all Adani stocks fell today because there is some rating agency called Credit Sites, which is a Fitch group unit. The people say, I don't know, I have not heard of this. I don't have any sight of this credit site so far. And they said Adani group is leveraged, highly leveraged, as if we do not know all these things, you know. So then some knee-jerk reaction, Adani Enterprise fell 150 rupees from intraday high to intraday low. So, but later it has recovered. But Adani Enterprises has recovered, but many other Adani stocks have not recovered. So, I really don't know why the prices move for this kind of news. Do you think people do not know Adani Group's leverage? I think everybody knows. Same thing, you know, US Fed interest rate hike, you know, also everybody knows. Last Wednesday, the Fed minutes came, and in the minutes it was stated very clearly that they will go for a more rate hike, and in fact the markets went up that day. Just after the news, markets went up, but then after that markets are falling. So anyway, so a lot of rumors, you know. So now coming back to open interest, and last week usually will be highly volatile, and for no reason yesterday market fell so much, today for no reason market shot up so much. And today huge open interest added at 17,600 PE and 17,500 PE. But this is exactly opposite of what happened yesterday. Yesterday 17,600 CE and 17,700 CE added huge open interest. So market momentum was really surprising. You know, when the global cues are not really that good, but I do not know how come the momentum was so strong. The momentum was so strong that I became an option buyer. So coming back to stock specific, so in the morning I mentioned about ICICI Bank, huge delivery percentage that did very well, and I told you yesterday also the Reliance supported the market, but only in the late afternoon when the huge sell-off came, Reliance fell. So today Reliance has also done very well, and of course Sun TV did not do well. So I don't know why Sun TV shot up so much yesterday, but today it came under profit booking. While all other stocks did well, Sun TV came under profit booking. And I also told you about huge delivery based buying in IT stocks, but because of this margin pressure news, so IT stocks did not do well. ICICI Bank was a fantastic, you know, it went up to 845, from 845 it went up to 870 plus, so 25 rupees, and that was one of the main reasons why Bank Nifty shot up 900 points. So at the end of the day, FIIs were net buyers for 563 crores. Just one day yesterday they became net sellers. Otherwise the entire series August month they are net buyers. Of course domestic institutions were net sellers for some small quantity, only 215 crores, not a big deal. So for stocks for tomorrow, we will discuss tomorrow morning, and we will see how this US market closes today, then we will discuss. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed watching the video. Thank you for watching.